Welcome, here I've got Nokia XR20 and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so let's change it to the video by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right. Here we are. Now let's move to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Here we have to slide a little bit down to video category, and at the second position now we have video stabilization option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.